Hello, welcome to another talk on money, business, and investment. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand here at Master Investor. Ensure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on all other social media platforms to have access to our digital courses and other tools to ultimately build our assets column. Remember, two types of income when it comes to investing, and there are three types of income in total. Earned income is the type of income that a person gets from a job or a salary. He or she exchanges time for money. It's very hard to build wealth like that because at the end of the day, wealth is measured with the free time that we have and the ability to thrive without working and still be able to maintain the lifestyle that we like to have. So we don't shrink or cut expenses to build wealth. We actually expand specifically our assets column so that we can expand expenses column. We need to expand all of the columns. At the end of the day, we want to have liabilities that we enjoy in our lives. And the whole purpose of building our assets column is so that we have constant passive income coming in to our income column from our assets column. And that's the cash flow pattern of the wealthy. We specifically made passive income and capital gains income through our assets column. Rule number one in our community here at Master Investor is that we work to build passive income and multiply money through sound investing. It takes financial education to be able to do this successfully, but the most important point that I want to make on this short video is that we need to invest for passive income and let that passive income that we're getting from those businesses and assets that we're controlling with our companies buy other assets. So at the end, we will have assets that we're obtaining for free using the revenue that we're getting from our businesses and other investments that we're controlling, and also using debt. Here in our community, we encourage everyone to learn how to master debt, because if you don't learn how to utilize debt to become wealthy, then it's going to be very hard to tap into the velocity of cash flow, which is creating money from thin air. That's when we control an asset that is producing passive income. And yeah, we have none of our capital invested into that asset. We either recoup the capital back from the business revenue, or we use 100% finance through loans and other types of debt. Remember that the job number one of an entrepreneur is to raise capital. And the number one skill is to sell without selling, using systems and smart marketing. Something that we learn how to do and master here inside of our community. So go to our website, get our ebooks and digital courses. We have 3 ebooks right now: the 10 New Rules of Money, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, and How to Invest in Crypto to Build Wealth, Understanding Bitcoin and Blockchain. Today, Bitcoin and crypto is not longer just an asset or an asset class to invest for capital gains income. Today, crypto is a currency, is the new money in town. We need to grasp that and use it into our advantage, because now we can actually create passive income with crypto when we utilize the new rules of money and we create those gains and we turn them into passive income, because we're going to be utilizing those gains, into buying other assets. So make sure you go to our website, get the digital courses, because they come with the ebooks and also additional assets that will help us build financial freedom and true wealth. Let me know if you have any questions. I wanted to give you this message, short but very efficient. Invest for passive income. That's what we talked about yesterday, and I wanted to come here and emphasize on it, because that is the key of true wealth, is to have passive income. And that passive income must come from assets that we are controlling actively. Okay, we're not giving our money away to anybody to invest it for us. We're going to invest it ourselves successfully through sound investing. And we're going to have companies that are controlling those assets or owning those assets that we are going to be utilizing to create freedom in our lives. And it could be one digital course, it could be somebody else's product. We don't need to create the business or the brand that we're going to be marketing. However, we do need to do business under our own entity. So it's important that we incorporate a company and start building our passive income through that business. Otherwise, it will be earned income if you pay yourself from the sales that you're getting from other companies that are paying us to promote their products, perhaps, if we don't want to build our own products. There are many ways that we can start creating passive income today, which is easier than ever before because everybody has access to information, something that it has never happened in the history of our existence. So take advantage of everything that we have now and start investing for passive income. Bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Two types of debt, good debt and bad debt. Good debt makes us wealthy and bad debt it doesn't make us poor necessarily because we're going to have bad debt, but it just takes money away from us. We just need to make sure that we have assets and good debt that will pay for those liabilities and their expenses, and we'll be okay. Everything will be free at the end. Click the link in the description. We'll see you inside our inner circle. Talk to you next time. Stay extraordinary and wealthy. Bye for now.